Forget everything you know about luxury. Have you ever wondered what a $12 million machine looks like that doesn't just dominate the road, but actually tears through the sky? Today, I'm going to show you a motorhome that is nothing short of a spaceship, the 2026 Rimac Voltus Maybach Motorhome.
Welcome back to the Motorhome Life. Today, we are reviewing a masterpiece that rewrites the rules of transportation. This Rimac Voltus Maybach is a fusion of opulence and innovation unlike anything ever seen before. At first glance, the design reminds you of a futuristic spacecraft designed for both the highway and the stratosphere. The most striking feature is its finish. Coated in bright silver metallics, it radiates a majestic aura under the sun and glows with sheer elegance under city lights. This silver shade isn't just a color, it's a premium signature that bridges Maybach's legendary heritage with Rimac's lightning-fast soul.
The lounge area boasts recliner seats equipped with full-body massage functions. Above you, a panoramic glass roof can switch from transparent to opaque at your command. Imagine the view from 10,000 feet in the air. The kitchen is equipped with everything a professional chef needs, including induction cooktops and a premium minibar. The bedroom is a master suite with a king-size bed and smart ambient lighting that adjusts to your mood. Even the bathroom features a smart rainfall shower and heated marble flooring, taking luxury to new heights. It is powered by 4 high-performance electric motors and an auxiliary jet propulsion system, producing a staggering 2,000 horsepower. Despite its size, it hits 0 to 100 kilometers an hour on the road in just a few seconds.
We hope you enjoyed this futuristic review. If you owned this motorhome, where is the first place you would fly to? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. And if you want to stay up to date with the world of futuristic luxury vehicles, subscribe to the Motorhome Life and hit the bell icon. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care and stay luxurious.